How to fix Crash Zenless Zone 0 app not working. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix Crash Zenless Zone 0 app not working. The first thing we can do is to restart our device. To do this, just click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner, click on the power button and select Shutdown. Sometimes, even as simple as restarting your PC can resolve this problem. Another way to fix this is to check for updates. You can go to your Play Store and if you see any update button, then click on it. You may also check if your internet connection is strong enough and is within the required Mbps of the app. Just go to your Utilities section and tap on the Wi-Fi icon. Next is to reinstall the app. To do this, just go to your Windows settings and click on Apps. Find Zenless Zone 0 app among the applications installed on your device. Click on the Uninstall button at the right and uninstall. Then just go to Google to re-download it again. Lastly, you may also contact the support team. In order to contact them, go to your main browser and search Zenless Zone 0. Click their official website and scroll down until you reach the end. Here, you will have to see the Contact Us button. Click on it and it will redirect you to a site where you can talk to the team. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!